everyone, welcome to another Ballet for Tutorials. I'm Yelena, and today we're going to be talking on how to improve your pirouettes and dehors from 5th position. And make sure that you stick around until the end, where I'm going to give you one tip that for sure is going to change the way you see and you do pirouette from any position, either en dehors or under that. Facing the bar, 5th position, and we're going to do passes relevés, only that. So we're going to do demi-plié, passe with relevé, and then lower with control and demi-plié. We're going to repeat that as many times as we need to master that position, to get all the weight over the supporting leg, to get that passage through the leg on the way up and down, to hold the position and control as we go down. Step number 2, you're going to add a quarter of a turn. For that, you're going to bring your right arm up as you turn. Yep, so use this hand to push a little bit and use this one as control. Now passe. Close to 5th position. Return back facing the bar. And repeat one more time until you master that passe through the leg, over the toes of the supporting leg. Your passe is open, turned out. Now, we're going to do step number 3. We are going to do half of a turn. So you're going to finish giving back to the bar, and you're going to begin with your arms in front of you, the same preparation that you can see right now on the screen. You're going to do half of a turn, close behind you, détourné, finish facing the bar, right leg in front of you, and stretch and repeat the same. Plié, half of a turn, close behind you, détourné, facing the bar, demi-pliés. 4th step, passes sideways to the bar. After you master that, then is where you can add your full pirouette. Hold it, stay up, and with control, lower down. And that tip that is going to change the way you do pirouette is simply holding the position, holding the passe, holding the pirouette for as long as you can up there. So rather than finishing your pirouette down to whatever position you're being told to, think of finishing pirouette up in passe and then lower with control. Hope that this video has been of help to you, and if that is the case, just let me know in the comments below. I really love to know that my videos are making a difference. If you have any questions or you have any ideas for future videos, also let me know in the comments, and I will see you in part 2.